Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a high-performance PC or looking to upgrade your gaming or workstation setup, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB RAM is an outstanding choice. Combining speed, reliability, and stunning RGB aesthetics, this memory kit is designed for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts who demand the best performance. Let's start with the specs. This kit includes 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, organized as 2 by 16 GB modules, running at an impressive 6000 MHz with CL36-44-44-96 timings and 1.35E. These specifications mean you get lightning-fast memory access, optimized bandwidth, and extremely tight response times, which translate to faster app loading, smoother multitasking, and better gaming performance. One of the standout features of the Vengeance RGB DDR5 is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting. Each module has 10 individually addressable ultra-bright LEDs, encased in a panoramic light bar. This gives your system vivid and customizable lighting effect from virtually any viewing angle, making your PC build visually stunning. With CORSAIR iCUE software, you can choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles or even create your own custom animations. This makes it perfect for gamers who want a unique, personalized look for their rig. Overclocking is also easier and more stable thanks to onboard voltage regulation. This improves fine-tuned performance adjustments and ensures your system remains stable even under intense workloads or heavy gaming sessions. Plus, with custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, you can easily load optimized performance settings for your motherboard, or even create and save your own profiles for specific apps or tasks. This flexibility ensures that your RAM is maximizing efficiency and performance wherever it's used. Another key advantage of this RAM is its compatibility with the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards, optimized for maximum bandwidth, tight latency, and responsive performance. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 kit ensures that your system gets the most out of your CPU and GPU. Whether you're gaming, rendering video, or running heavy multitasking workloads, this memory helps eliminate bottlenecks and improve system responsiveness. In terms of design, the Vengeance RGB modules are sleek and black, making them easy to match with any build while keeping your PC looking clean and professional. Despite the vibrant RGB lighting, the heat spreaders are designed for efficient heat dissipation, keeping the modules cool during intensive workloads and ensuring long-term stability and reliability. In summary, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB RAM, 6000 MHz, CL36, is an ideal upgrade for any high-performance PC. Its combination of fast DDR5 speeds, tight timings, extensive RGB customization, onboard voltage regulation, and XMP 3.0 support makes it perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts who want both performance and style. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or a sleek high-performance PC, this RAM kit delivers speed, stability, and eye-catching RGB lighting that can elevate your system to the next level.